A revealing new study finds that women are over-medicated because of their absence in clinical drug trials, and the repercussions actually run very deep. Researchers say women experience adverse drug reactions twice as often as men because of this gender gap. The documentary film Medicating Normal explores these revelations. Take a look.
I knew that they weren't there, but they were there, and I couldn't explain that away.
And he prescribed me this drug, lorazepam. I took it for 6 years. And
You took lorazepam for 6 years?
6.5 years.
The package insert from the manufacturer clearly states lorazepam is only for short-term use, maybe 2 to 4 weeks.
They're an uppers and downers, and every time they go in, it's their deteriorating mental condition, instead of somebody saying, your drug may be your problem.
I had brain zap, I had tremors, I had severe night sweats.
Taking that first pill, it's not free. It comes with the potential for physiologic dependence.
We lost a 50-something-year-old woman whose doctor cold turkeyed her off of Klonopin, and she walked in front of a train because she couldn't deal with it anymore.
One of the things that's happened in our culture is that normal has been confused by marketers of all kinds with comfortable. And if you're uncomfortable in any way, there's something wrong.
And so now I'm like, it was not me. It was their drugs.
Joining me is the director of Medicating Normal, Wendy Ractliffe, and psychiatrist Vora, who also appears in the film. So what actually motivated you to make this film?
So my co-director, Lynn, had a dear family member who was who started out on one psychiatric medication, on an antidepressant for depression, in her mid-20s. And 15 years later, this young woman who was a Harvard graduate and had a career and had been working, was now on 5 medications and was on disability for mental illness and was not functioning very well. So my co-director started out wondering if these medications were actually harming rather than helping her. She's still on her medications, and she's has many psychiatric issues that she didn't have in the first place. So, there's not a final answer. I think her family just wonders why all these years of care hasn't led to an improving condition. She's actually deteriorated.